We're trying to play charades.
Okay,
We're not trying to play songs I don't know. How will I know what the name of this song is?
It's one word.
So fast. Like really no pause. Think of the next song as we're doing it too. Oh my god, that took forever, man.
That's you, bro.
Okay. In this video, we're gonna be playing famous piano songs charade style. We only get a point if the person standing can guess the song being played, and we have to get 50 songs in 10 minutes, otherwise we have to delete this channel. Do I want to keep filming with you? So each time we guess one, we're gonna put a point here on the score system.
Okay.
And then we have to get to 50.
Okay.
Starting.
We'll see about that.
Now, go. I don't know the song name, man.
What?
Your love. Like you. When I see your face, it's the sound of samim I'm of taste.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Just the way you are?
Yes.
Oh my god, that took forever, man.
That's you, bro.
Okay,
You're
alright, okay.
Is this Howl's Moving Castle?
Yeah. How will I know what the name of this song is?
It's one word.
What? It's one word?
Yeah. Oh my god. You want to pass that?
Canon.
No.
Waltz.
No. All right, you got.
Turkish March.
Yeah.
Okay.
The Entertainer.
Alright, go. Hurry up. We're like a minute 30 in. Is that good progress?
Yeah.
Gymnopedie.
No.
What? It's not?
No.
It's the real. Dude, I don't know the name of the song. You're not trying to play songs I don't know.
All right.
Shooting Stars? Is that the song name?
No.
Like, bars I'm up to my shooting stars. I can see it in you right now. You're right now.
Yeah, what's the name?
Train?
No. Oh my goodness. All right, this one.
Feliz. Okay. Right, we have 5 and we're 2 minutes 30 in.
Yeah, because you haven't been
5
able to
is
guess.
supposed. Wait, this is you only know the artist.
What the
Okay.
hell is this? Oh, Pirates of the Caribbean.
Okay. Like trash, movie. Good guys, finish last.
Almost.
Bad guys finish last.
No, that's the.
Nice guys finish
Yes.
last.
Oh my god. Oh shit. I know, but I don't know the name. Studio Ghibli something. I have no idea what the hell this is. Yeah, because you haven't been
5
able to
is
guess.
supposed.
I only know it because you play it. Oh, Tetris?
Yeah. 6 minute 20. I don't think we're on track, man. Dude,
Oh my
at 5
God.
minutes, we're supposed to be at 25.
Alright.
We're only at 8. Fantasy impromptu. Okay, we gotta speed it up.
Moonlight Sonata.
Okay. La Campanella.
Yeah.
Or Blackpink Shutdown.
Cannon.
Okay, 12. Gymnopedie. I don't know. Hurry up. We have 30 seconds to get like 10 more. Gymnopedie.
Love Dream.
We have to do 1 per second right now to catch up. Of River Flows to You.
What the hell are you doing?
Oh, sh.
Oh my god, I was gonna play that one next.
What is the song name?
Also, let me.
Okay.
I just do it.
Okay, good. We only have 4 minutes 45 seconds left. What to do like? Phantom of the Opera.
Yeah.
Okay,
fuck,
think
I
of the
played
next
that
song as you're standing.
one. Alright. Baby Shark.
Okay.
Dude, that was too fast. I didn't have time to think of anything. Oh.
Ah, fuck, I was reading that one. Day on Wedding Dress. Oh, shoot, you took mine. I don't know.
What the hell is this?
I'm trying to.
Oh, Jaws.
Okay, dude, we're at 20. How are we gonna get to 50? We only have 3 minutes left. Okay. Oh, Harry Potter. Okay.
Star Wars.
Okay. Come on, fast. Instant. Think of the next one. Naruto.
Which one?
Bluebird.
All right, dude. Oh, Demon Slayer. I don't know what the name of it is though.
Let's do our Japanese, man.
All right, counts. Oh man.
20, 24. 24
24
with 2 minutes 50. We don't want to do this channel. Okay, clutch it. Actually, don't stutter anymore. Clutch it. Kiss the rain.
Yeah. Claire de Lune?
Yeah.
Is that right? Oh.
Okay. Clutch. Come on. Really, man. Black Keys. Is that a song name?
Yeah.
Black Keys? Okay. All right. Okay, clutch.
We already did that.
Oh no.
That's the one I did for you that you didn't know. What? Wedding song. I don't know.
Take it. Let's go. Hurry up.
What is this for?
Three. Oh my god, dude. We only have 1:30 left.
All right. Oh, I had a song in my head and I forgot it.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
All right, wait. I got this.
We're at 28. What? It's like from Jason something. I don't know it. Stop playing it. I don't know it. If I were a boy.
No, it's not that.
What?
Eraser. That's not an eraser, you dumbass.
Is that if I were a boy?
No, it's a. Oh.
I don't wanna be number. Why do you know this? If I was some boo. Nice guys finished last?
No! Oh my god, bro, I don't know.
Today I'm not doing anything?
Yes, but what's the name?
I don't know.
You know, I forgot the name too.
The lazy song.
The lazy song. That's
okay.
what it is. Okay.
Dude, we're screwed, man. Should we even 20 seconds and we're
Oh
only
shit.
at
All right.
28. You know, Jack? You know what we should do? With
Oh!
No. You know what we should do with the last 8 seconds?
What?
We can't lose if we don't finish the game.
You know, pause the time.